is like obviously a really local night market. We're not going to see any tourists here.
I think it's Nutella and peanut butter. Look how unreal this looks. That's like pure sugar.
How's the marrowback? Let's try the marrowback.
Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben.
Malaysia! Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers and this is our Malaysia series.
We're standing in an area which is a little bit out of the centre of Kuala Lumpur. This is like a local area and every Friday night they have a market. Couldn't find anything on the internet about this market. It's telling me it's going to be good local food at good local prices. I've looked out the rooftop of our place. It's definitely on, so we're heading down there now.
And literally, as we've left, it is raining.
Typical
Asia
rainy season
weather.
fashion in Southeast Asia.
Let's get under some cover. It's literally pouring down now, but we're sticking to under the train tracks so we're not getting wet, but we don't know what we're going to do when we get to the market. It looks like they've got like covering and umbrellas, so we just got to run under there maybe. Always the way. All day it hasn't rained, and then literally as we come out, pours down. Every day we walk past this and he's always there, Tash. There's always food and water, so obviously the locals feed him. He's got like a little Tash, he looks like he's got a moustache, so I call him Tash.
He looks like Des.
Here's the market and that tall building there is our building. Literally like 10 minute walk.
So we're actually at the Jelatek Night Market, also known as the Pasar Malam Jelatek. I think I said that right. But this is like obviously a really local night market. We're not going to see any tourists here. But we're going to hunt around because I've seen a few prices in the corner of my eyes and it looks like mental cheap. Loads and loads food here as well. Let's just eat everything, you know what I like.
It looks like we're still setting up now. It's around 6 o'clock. It was meant to start at 5, but you know, ages like they start later than you think.
Chilled, isn't it?
I think we're going to get some pretty good bargains here. I'm really excited. Let's go and try some food first while they're setting up the clothes.
Right, so this guy does like milkshakes, green tea, milk tea, Thai tea, like milky coffees. Does a bit of everything, and he's just making us like a chocolate, peanut, monster milkshake things. We'll see.
Makassi.
Makassi. That's all I have.
I think it's Nutella and peanut butter. Look how unreal this looks. He's like smothered the sauce on the edge. Let's go in and try it. Oh, that is amazing. You can literally taste the Nutella and peanut all in one. It's really creamy and rich. But it's also only 10 RM and you got like biscuit and cream on top. Good way to start our market tour.
Yeah, I don't know what dangin is. I know what I am, it's chicken. Hello. One ayam, one daging. What is daging? What is daging?
Daging is beef.
Beef?
Yeah.
One beef. One chicken, one beef.
Yeah. What is it?
You got it.
Thank you.
I'll just go for a lucky dip. They both look exactly the same, so it's going to be a chicken or a beef
Nice and hot.
situation. Yeah, falling hot.
Wait for me. Beef.
Chicken.
That's really nice.
It's really rich.
Indian spices with beef, cabbage and onion. As you can see inside. His looks pretty much the same, just different meat.
Yeah, that's like minced, isn't it?
Yeah, this outside bit, so like a bit more like a roti.
Yeah,
Isn't
yeah,
it?
yeah, it's like a roti, yeah.
Yeah, and it's really flaky, crispy.
Deep fried roti with minced chicken or beef.
Really delicious. Only $1.20 ringgit each. So there are 6 rows here. 2 have fruit and veg on it. 2 have food. And then around the edge we've got clothes and we've also got some raw meat and fish going on. So you've got literally everything.
It's like a mixture between like counterfeit stuff and they've got like some second-hand stuff. And I've also seen like some jewellery and watches and stuff. So I reckon if you know what you're looking for, you can find yourself a real bargain. My mate buys and sells watches and he would have an absolute field day here.
There's more Casios over here. Is that a Casio?
Yes, Casio.
Casio?
Yes.
But this one here.
This one, waterproof. No waterproof. This one waterproof.
This one's
Waterproof.
Ah, waterproof. This one no. It's ringgit. No waterproof. This one 35.
So,
Waterproof.
35. Is this fixed price?
Yes, fixed price.
Fixed price.
Bro, I like the little one. What do you think? Or they got that one?
5.25. Then.
Do you want that one?
Go what color?
This one. Is this 18? 18. 1
No. Yes, it's ringgit.
1.8.
Yeah, it's ringgit.
You get it? Okay.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Yeah.
Okay. I've got myself a little bit of a retro Casio. 18 ringgit. I thought Why not? I see people wearing them all the time, and it's like, yeah.
Ben's got his watch, so I've now got the permission to shop. I found some t-shirts around there that are only 8 ringgit, so let's go back there and have a look. You can also get hats. Oh, this is a new section. This has just been set up. Hats.
Also, it's actually getting bigger as the night goes on. So every like sort of like 30 minutes, there's like a whole other like 5 shops added on to the
Yeah, we're like, we've been down there, but we haven't seen that. That's a Malaysia one.
That's a good one, isn't it?
Is it?
Well, look at the colour, look. That's got buttons. £6 for t-shirts. How good's that? I might as well get one instead of like washing the t-shirt. That's how cheap they are.
These are quite smart, these ones. That's a bit of you. Got the bright orange.
Yeah.
Makassi. It's alright now.
No, thank you.
Again, Ben's buying things. He's got a t-shirt for 8 ringgit. I couldn't find one I really liked, so I was like, I'm not just going to buy one for the sake of it.
Like, I'll pay like 20 English pounds at home for a t-shirt, so I might as well just get a t-shirt one here.
I like the colour as well.
In Asia, I'm like an extra large.
If it don't fit him, I'll wear it as a pyjama top
Yeah, if
or
it doesn't
something.
fit, it doesn't.
I think we should get that.
Cool. This one. Same.
Are they same? Yeah. One.
1-1.
Yes,
Yes.
please. Next we got a couple of like spring rolls. We've got 2 different kinds. We've got like a deep fried one and then one that's made with maybe like a, no idea, roll or something. So let's try the deep fried one. Oh, this is hot. It's got sauce on it and some crispy onions. That's very different. We've got something yellow in there. I think it's like cabbage, potatoes, and you've got bean shoots in there. It's not like a lot of flavour, but that sauce on top is really nice. It's like a sweet sauce. That's like the best part, really. But it's nice, crispy, hot, basic. 120 each these are, and this is the other one. This is like a soft outside. Soft.
Elegance.
It's really chewy. So that one's a little bit different. We've got like crispy onions inside, bean shoots, and more of that yellow stuff. I think it's cabbage, maybe potato, but the outside's really like chewy. It must be like corn flour or rice flour or something like that, and then wrapped in it. And that one's like warm, not hot. They're really nice. I think I prefer the deep fat fried one.
We'd like to thank today's sponsor, Overseas VPN. I promise this will only take a second. Overseas VPN, you can simultaneously log into between 2 and 10 devices. Overseas VPN offers maximum compatibility, be it Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, Linux, as well as popular browsers like Firefox and Chrome. Overseas VPN is available on all popular platforms. All plans unblock BBC iPlayer, Disney Plus and Hulu, and 7 major Netflix regions.
As we travel full time, we use public Wi-Fi. For example, coffee shops, airports, accommodation. That is why Overseas is perfect for us. Its affordable price keeps us safe while we're on the road. Overseas VPN has the lowest prices on the market. Right now you can get a 5-year plan just for $60. That works out just $1 a month. Check out Overseas VPN, linked in description. Now back to the video.
Hello. One? B. Everyone's like so nice. They're really like polite and well-mannered, and everyone's like saying thank you, Makassi, and very nice.
Yeah, they're trying to like speak our language as well, considering we're in their country. We do try our best. We know Makassi and Sama-sama.
Sama-sama.
Is that them one? Oh, can I, them one? Yeah.
Makassi. What's the name? What's the name?
Kunyam.
What is it? Meat?
Sweet.
Sweet. Okay.
Makassi.
Makassi. So I picked this up, yeah. So what it is, it seems like, I'm just jumping at conclusions, seems like a donut, and it's got like braised beef inside with like a sauce as well. I forgot to ask her what it was called, but I'm gonna dive straight in. Yeah, that beef is like perfectly like soft and breaks apart in your mouth. The sauce is like really rich. The donut is not sweet, it's just like donut texture. It's got like a coating on, but it's not like a sweet coating. But yeah, it's delicious. So most things you see are made in-house. The man behind was making them and the woman in front was serving. Absolutely beautiful. 6 RM, so an absolute bargain as well. I reckon probably one two of them fill you up.
Of course, I get the sweet treat. They look like cereals. They remind me of Wheatos. Literally look like that. Don't know if they taste like them, but try it. Oh, that's like pure sugar.
Nice.
That is diabetes in a deep fat fryer.
Diabetes 101.
That is amazing. That is a bit of me. It literally reminds me of brown sugar and dough put together and then just dropped in the fry. I saw her like rolling them out and cutting circles out. We got all these for 3 RM.
You're saying it quietly like it's a secret. I think it's 3 RM for everyone.
I can't believe how cheap it is.
It's a
They
steal.
smell like cereals as well. These are good. These are my favourites so far. These are, might buy a few and take them all home. These are mine.
Yes, and we have actually come in the car park, which is adjacent to the market. The reason being, because we're away from the generators and away from the noise, away from the commotion, we can actually film and eat in a little bit of peace and quiet. It's quite nice.
Not that the background's that nice, but...
No, is it? Well, whatever. In 10 years' time, we might have diabetes by all the stuff we eat. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, let's get back to the market and carry on eating.
But next we've seen a Ramly burger, and if you don't know what a Ramly burger is, it's like the most famous popular food here in Malaysia.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to try one. I'm thinking the cheese one.
I think every trip I've had to Malaysia, this is my 3rd time in Malaysia, I've always had a Ramly burger. So this is my first Ramly burger, this time in Malaysia.
Come on. What are you thinking? I am?
Hello.
Chicken or beef?
Beef, yeah. Daging.
Okay, yeah.
Daging.
You can speak Malay, huh?
Yeah. I can read. Yeah, I read.
How much is it?
Where are you from then?
Free.
UK.
Okay,
Yeah, Team Makassi. I've got the Ramly. Yeah, he was actually impressed with my my skills at speaking the local lingo, but I was just reading the sign.
So here's the Ramly burger. We went for the beef. Looks so good. So these were already pre-made and sat on the sides. We didn't get to see it actually, but we got loads of mayonnaise in there, some salads. Just making sure there's no tomatoes in there, and we got like a chili sauce. Oh, look at it coming out. Oh, that is so good.
Incredible.
It's like a sweet sauce, sweet chili sauce, mayonnaise, and that burger. It's always like a pink colour, the burger, and really thin. Delicious.
Ramly burgers are unreal.
You want to try like Piccolo?
Huh?
You want to try?
Right.
Yes, Piccolo. You want to try Piccolo?
Okay.
Oh, this is from Borneo.
Borneo?
Yeah,
Oh, thank you.
you should try.
Okay, thank you.
So that is probably the cheapest Ramly burger I've ever seen. It was only 3 ringgit. Oh, it's got a bit of a kick as well. Delicious.
Chicken. AM, sorry. AM, sorry. Team Makassi.
It's really like a different vibe today. When you're in Kuala Lumpur, like in the central, there's a lot of tourists there, so no one gives you any attention. But here, they obviously don't get many tourists here, so everyone gives us just like a little bit, like come to our store, showing us things and speaking.
It's nice, isn't it? It's like,
it's a bit more like not touristy. We love it.
We got used to that in Pakistan, but here not so much, and Thailand not so much. Someone did just come up to us wanting a picture and that. I haven't had that for ages.
I know, it's weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
I was like, why do you want a picture of his ugly face?
Yeah, yeah.
But we've got one of the most other popular foods. We're going for like proper Malaysian cuisine today.
And Indonesian.
And Indonesian. Oh yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah,
as well?
I don't want to start an argument in the comments, but if you want to comment below because it helps.
Well, we've seen them in both countries, so.
We've seen them in both countries. If you want to dispute between yourself about the origin of the marabak, you do that. How's the marabak? Let's try the marabak. Yeah, a little bit salty. It's sort of like, I don't know, let me know in the comments, but is that like a roti or some sort of like, I don't know, like a wrap or something? But it's a little bit chewy and like tough to like grip off.
It's a dough, I saw him stretching it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is like a roti.
Like a roti. So maybe there's egg in there as well, and there's onions as well, and it's a little bit like, I don't know, you might have to try it.
Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna try a bit. It does feel quite eggy, to be honest. Oh, it's very different to one I've had in the past. When I saw him cooking it, he just like poured this green liquid on there. I say liquid, it had like lumps in it. But it does taste quite eggy. I can't taste any meat, but there's some onions, maybe some spinach and that in there. It's mostly egg, that's what I can taste. I'd say it's roti. I saw him stretching it out. It looked like the way you'd stretch out a roti, but delicious.
Marabak.
And that was 6 RM. But it was very popular. Like they were cooking loads to order, like constantly, and they had about 5 people in front of us before we ordered. This market is getting really busy. There's so much more we can try, but I think we're done here. I think we can only show you so much food. and there's only so much we can eat, but I'm definitely going to do a long session in the gym tomorrow. I feel like I haven't stopped eating.
That's what travel's about, isn't it?
I
Eating food. Make sure you watch the next video. We're going to one of the best malls in Malaysia and we got something crazy planned, so make sure you subscribe.
They really remind me of the cereals. They really remind me of cereals, you know. Am I saying that wrong? Cereals.
Cereals. First Marabak in Malaysia, I believe.
No, I had one in Langkawi.
Okay.
And I made a TikTok on it and it nearly went viral.
Like, so the woman behind was making it and the man in front was serving.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.